Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Lydia and today we have a fun video for you guys. So you guys know, if you've been on my channel, we save money by shopping, smartly with coupons, digital coupons, on Kroger, Safeway, all that good stuff. But we also save money by using our phones, and we have apps. So if we go to eat out at Panda or Red Robin or whatever, we always have apps and I always get points. And today is July 4th, and I figured, wouldn't it be fun, since we're all home in the morning, well, more like lunchtime, to just use all our points and see how much free stuff or discounted stuff we can get with our apps. Let me turn you guys around and show you what apps I use. All right, so these are the restaurants that we're going to be redeeming our free food or discounted food from. I do have rewards on some of them. So for Chick-fil-A and for Jimmy John's, we have, and I think I do for Jimmy John's, I'm going to have to look at my wallet. I have gift cards that we got from people, and I think they're like $10 each. So for Chick-fil-A, Lucas got it for Christmas from his Sunday school class, which we still haven't used since like 2 years ago. And then Jimmy John's, my son got like, I think, a $10 gift card from one of his students at work, and he doesn't eat there, so he gave it to us. So those are the only things that we have like actual gift cards on. The rest is gonna be like Red Robin, I have $10 off. Domino's, I have a free pizza. So on and so forth. Panda Express, I have like, let me just show you. I have like points from how we ordered in the past. So I have a lot of points. So I'm going to be getting a couple different meals for like bowls or stuff with that. So that's one way we do it, and I love that. And then Panera Bread also, it's like buy something and then get a free bakery item, and so on and so forth. So let's order everything, put it all together. We'll take you guys along and then show you what we get. I think it's going to be super fun. I want to show you guys on my Red Robin. I have a couple rewards. Oh, let's push that in. Okay, so I have a $10 rewards from last time we ordered food, and then I have a free birthday reward, which you have to dine in, and then a kid's free birthday reward. So with Red Robin, you can add your birthday plus your family members, and then when it's their birthday, you just have to dine in. So those two we won't be using today. We'll use it on a different day, but we will be using the $10 rewards. So I will get something that's close to $10. We do have tax here on our eating out in Washington State, so I'll probably end up paying maybe like $1 or $2 for everything, just with taxes and stuff. But that's how I'm gonna redeem my free Red Robin burger. So you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, but you're gonna like waste so much gas and miles on your cars to go get everything. Yeah, no. So literally Chick-fil-A, Jimmy John's, Panera, Chipotle, and Red Robin are literally they're in the same, on the same street. So one is like on the left side, two are in the same parking lot, and then one are across from each other. So just one stoplight. And then everything else is not far away. It's very close. So I don't even think we're going to be driving like 10 miles to get everything. Okay, so I logged in to see what my balance is, and you guys, it's not $10, it's $25. So we can end up getting more food than we thought. I'm just covering my card information. So look at this. This just popped up. If I buy one firecracker wrap, they're going to give me one for free. So I know my daughter, she's having some stomach issues today, so she said she just wants like a sub, and I might do like a firecracker wrap and then get another one for free. So more free food. It literally just popped up on the app. So here's my order: $12.25 each wrap, and then a number 5. And remember, I had $25 on my gift card. The jalapeno ranch side portions are free. So this would have been my total $34.45 minus the $12.25 BOGO, a little bit of tax. So I will be within my gift card limit. So all of this food will be absolutely free. So something is glitching with the Wendy's app and I cannot place my order. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk in and see if they will honor this deal. Let's move on to the next one. All right, we're moving on to Chick-fil-A, and I have a $10 gift card on there, so let's see what we can get. So I'm going to get 2 of their Chick-fil-A deluxe sandwiches. You could get one without any lettuce tomatoes and cheese, and it would be a little bit cheaper, but that just sounds disgusting. So this will go over my $10 just a little bit, but I still feel like we're gonna get a great deal. This is my Panera offer, so let's get that. I've always wanted to try their honey walnut cream cheese, and it sounds so good. So that's $1.99. That's what I'm gonna get, and they get my free bakery item. Okay, so let me show you. I got the muffin, which was $4.49, and there's the discount, so I'm gonna be paying $2.16 for the cream cheese and the muffin. So now I'm at Red Robin, and I know I have a $10 rewards from them from my last order. So the cheapest thing that I can see as in a burger and fries that we would enjoy is the Red's doubles. So it's $10.59. So I will be paying just 59 cents and a little bit of tax out of pocket. Let's get it ordered. All right, here's Domino's. I have a free pizza. Let's order it. All right, so we just saved $18.74 on that pizza, and it is free with points. Okay, so we just took off to start collecting our food. I'm gonna place an order for a free Big Mac at McDonald's, just $1 purchase necessary, and I'm probably gonna get fries or something that I can get for really cheap, or maybe a cookie, and then get. Okay, here's my McDonald's order. I chose apple slices because my little one loves those, so those were $1.39, and then we will have our burger. All right, here is Burger King. I have 400 crowns, which means a free burger, so let's get that order. Okay, so here is my first 1,500 points for Panda. I have over 3,500 points. I'm gonna do 2 orders to get 2 free meals, and then we'll have some leftover points. Okay, so the queso at Chipotle, you have to get a $5 minimum purchase, and I wasn't gonna use that today, so we'll just have it for next time. But I do have a KFC half off of a chicken sandwich. So I'm on the way to Panda Express and then McDonald's because they're right next to each other. But I just opened up my McDonald's app to see if the order was ready, and remember we got that apple slices and a free burger. Well, I got more points. I'm gonna order more free stuff. Okay, so at Taco Bell I have a free Mountain Dew Baja Blast for free because it is my birthday month. So we're gonna head up, go into drive-thru really quick on the way to Burger King and get our drink. Okay, so this is a freeze, and this was $3.59, I believe, that I got for free with my birthday treat. Okay, guys, so we got all the food. I'm gonna show you guys. Our back seat is full of food. I'm going to put it all out on the counter so you guys can see what we got, how much we paid, if we paid, and we're enjoying this on the way home. The kids are super excited. They didn't want to come with us, but they are excited to enjoy this great food. We have just a hodgepodge of different things. And yeah, let's bring you guys along and show you. And it's so worth using your app, especially for McDonald's, because even if we got points on the free items, and then we were able to get more free items. And I think now we're able to get more free items. So it just kind of rolls over and over and over. So that's great. Burger King was good. We were able to get some free stuff. We did not go to Wendy's just because it wasn't working in the app, and then I already passed the store and I don't want to go all the way there. I was going to go to KFC, but the GPS is showing a lot of traffic and it's not super close, so that was a good deal as well. It was just 50% off a chicken sandwich. We'll probably use it another day, and then I still have some points left over in a couple of my apps, and we'll be able to roll those over and enjoy them next time. And then the Domino's pizza, I was able to customize this, so we like it with the garlic Alfredo sauce, chicken, and mushrooms. It's so good, like a white sauce pizza. So we're excited about that. Before we get home, I want to mention really quick is if you have multiple phones in your family, you can do multiple transactions. Isn't that right?
Yes, yes.
So I used my phones with my app. I didn't even use my 2 teenagers because we could have done stuff with their apps, but when they go out with their friends and stuff, they'll use their points. But I used mine, and then I only used his McDonald's app for 2 transactions, but the rest was all on one phone. But if you have multiple phones, just because you're in the same family doesn't mean that you can't do multiple deals. So keep that in mind. Use those teenagers' phones if you need to, and get your free food. I'm super excited. I'm gonna add the total of how much everything was worth and how much we actually paid. So before I bring everything in, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys. Our back seat is full of food. I'm so excited. All right, we are home and we have all the food. Look at this. Sure, we'll have to heat up some of it. That's okay. It was free. It was fun. We went around and just hit the deals, and it was super fun too. put the deals together. I kind of was brainstorming last night and looking on all the apps to see what we could get, and we enjoyed this so much. So right now I'm gonna have everyone kind of get what they want, heat it up, eat, and then I'll have the total of how much we paid, and then we'll have the total of how much it's actually worth. Okay, you guys, I ran the numbers. I didn't know how much it was going to be, but I got $128.47 worth of food for $9.04 before tax. I'm not including tax just because every state and every place is different. And if you go across the bridge in Oregon, they don't even have tax. So now, are you going to be able to do these deals exactly like I am? No, I'm just showing you guys what we got and how we used our apps and our free gift cards. So I'm going to go over every single restaurant so you guys can see my deals. Panda Express, I got $20.20 worth of food, and that was absolutely free. It was just points from using the app. Every time we ordered Panda Express, you get points, and that's how that came about. Burger King, same thing. Whopper Jr., $3.59 worth free. I used 400 points for that. McDonald's, I paid $1.39 for apple slices, and I was able to get a Big Mac that was worth $5.49 for free. And when I got that Big Mac, I got like 1,500 points doubled today, and so I was able to get a cheeseburger that was worth $2.99 for free. My husband bought fries. Their large fries is $4.59. In-app coupon was $1.49, so we paid $1.49 for the large fry, and then he was able to get that $1,500 points bonus again for free, and we were able to get that cheeseburger for free as well. Red Robin, I had a $10 again, just rewards. Every time you buy, you get rewards. So my meal was $10.59, so I paid 59 cents for that meal. Fabulous deal. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A also has rewards and points. I didn't have any to use, but I used my son's gift card that he got from Sunday school, and he gave it to me. He said I can use it. He actually had one of the burgers. So I bought 2 deluxe chicken sandwiches. They were $6.79. So that came out to $13.58. My portion out of pocket was $3.58. And I did get points on that. Taco Bell, because it is my birthday month, and be aware of that. When it's your birthday, a lot of places will give you free things. I got a small Baja Blast that was worth $3.39. Didn't have to use points or anything on that. It was just my reward they gave me. Jimmy John's. We had a $25 gift card that my son received, and from one of his students at work. He's a gymnastic coach, and he said to go ahead and use it. So out of pocket for us was $0. We got the firecracker wrap, which was $12.25, and today, because it is 4th of July, they had a buy one get one free, so we were able to get 2 of those. And then my daughter got a number 5 Vito sandwich, which was $9.95. Again, with the gift card, that was $0 for us. Panera Bread, I bought the cream cheese with walnuts and honey, which was $1.99. And because I bought that, I was able to get a $4.49 worth of blueberry muffin just for downloading the app. So that was a great deal. Domino's. We get Domino's whenever I don't feel like cooking or I don't have frozen pizza in the freezer. So obviously use your app, and I'm going to show you something on the Domino's app as well with that. Use your app, and I got points. So I got a 2 topping medium pizza. They said is worth $18.74. And let me show you right now how to never pay for a medium pizza, $18.74. Okay, so I opened my Domino app, and what you do is you put that, the location. I just fast forward it. I just put carry out, and then it takes you to prompt the location and then to place an order. So you go over here, they have built-in coupons. And then if you buy 2 pizzas or more, you can get that almost $19 worth of pizza for $6.99. So I always click on that because we are a family of 6. So I would customize 2 pizzas. And then you are able to, I would do like whatever. You can just add over here what you want. We love the garlic Alfredo with chicken and mushrooms, or chicken and bacon, and it's really delicious. So you do that, you customize 2 pizzas, and then you get them for $6.99 each instead of almost $19 each. So, you buy a little bit more, but we always use the coupons that are built into the app. They have other ones too, but those are our favorite. And anyway, so always use the coupons that are built into the app with Domino's. One time I didn't know when we first ordered it, and I paid like almost $200. We had a party, we had some kids, and then I realized, oh my gosh, I could have saved like 40% of that. So, or 50%. So, yeah. And then Domino's always gives you plates. They don't give you sauces, but they give you like plates and napkins and stuff like that. So always ask for them. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was something different. It was something fun. I just wanted to share with you guys how we get our deals. Like I said, are you going to be able to get the exact same deals we have? Probably not, just because, you know, we have different points and we've used our apps differently. But I just wanted to put it out there and say, hey, if you're not using your rewards, if you're not using your points on your apps, use them, download them. It's super easy, super convenient. Like I have a friend who goes to Panda like twice a week. And she's like, I didn't even know they do rewards. I'm like, oh my gosh, you just missed out on so much free food. They add up very quickly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super fun. We laid all the food out, as you guys saw, on the table, and we just let everyone, the kids and stuff, pick whatever they wanted. We have a bunch of food left over, so we're gonna have that for dinner as well. If you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I feel like in this day and age, we need to know all the little tricks of how to save money, especially when you have maybe a bigger family, or even if you don't, if you're just by yourself, save money and get some free food or some free treats. And it's so fun. I don't know why, it's a fun thing. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. And also, I don't know if you guys have a BlackRock, but BlackRock gives you a free drink for your birthday with an ID. Dutch Bros, with you download the app, they will give you a free drink. Starbucks as well on your birthday. So there's a couple, the Cookie Crumble and some other places. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do what we get for free on my birthday. We'll see. If you guys want to see that video, let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below what other restaurants and stuff you guys use and have royalty points on, and just let everybody else know, because I'm sure there's a lot more out there. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope everyone had a wonderful 4th of July, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.